Everyone's always telling you, quit your job, invest in real estate, make $1 million.
Hey, Paulie, what's up? No, everything's fine. Hey, listen, I quit.
But is that the right thing to do? Maybe they're not telling you everything. Maybe they're trying to sell you something. I've seen a lot of real estate investors, they come in, they quit their day job. Hey, Leah, I'm full-time now. That's fantastic, I'm so happy for you. They go out and they find a deal from a wholesaler and they get burnt. Just because it looks like a deal on paper, it may not be. They may, as is quite common with wholesalers, have inflated the ARV, so they've made the ARV higher than it is, and they've deflated the rehab budget. Oh, it's paint and carpet, except it's paint and carpet and foundation and roof and HVAC, and it needs a new electrical box. So am I saying don't do it? No, I'm not saying don't quit your day job. I'm saying quit your day job correctly. Before you do anything, you need to get educated. If you quit your day job and you run out and say, okay, here I am now a full-time investor, whoopee, and you pour a cup of coffee and you don't know what to do next. So you have to get educated first. You want to make sure that you have 6 to 12 months of reserves, whether you're active or passive, because you're not going to get paid for several months probably. It could take you 4 months to find your first deal. Active real estate investing is that you are actively participating in the project. You are actively going out and finding a deal, actively finding someone to finance it for you, and you're going to actively manage that deal. Passive real estate investing is basically you have money that you want to invest into a project, whether it is a flip or it's a rental or whatever it is. You don't want to actively be managing that project. If you're planning on doing passive, you're going to take your 401k and you're going to invest your 401k, you still need an additional 6 to 12 months of reserves just to survive. And if you're planning on putting your 401k into maybe multifamily, you may be years before you see that money come back. So in order to do passive real estate investing, you still have to be trained. You still have to get educated. It is really easy to lose your money in real estate if you don't know what you're doing. And no one wants to see that happen, right? Get out there, go to RIAs. Get these online classes like what you're doing right now. This is a freebie. Reach out on some of these Facebook pages, and they have a lot of, oh my gosh, tons and tons of real estate pages on Facebook. Join as many of those as you can. Get engaged in those conversations. Find a mentor. Reach out to those Facebook groups that you just joined and say, hey, I don't have a lot of money, but I do have time, and I'm willing to come out to your flips and work for you for free in exchange to learn from you. Or you can pay for a mentor as well, and they will give you the same amount of training, but either way, you're getting training. So by waiting to quit your job until you've done that first one, number one, you've learned. Just the exercise of flipping a house will teach you so much, and you still kept your income. So you're not eating up all of your reserves. Whatever you do, make sure that you get educated and you have those reserves before you quit your day job. When you get those 2 boxes ticked, quit that job and let's flip some houses together. Subscribe to my channel to start your education now. Check out this video. What is a deal? Well, a deal is 70% of ARV minus repair. I'm going to repeat that. 70% of ARV. That's after rehab value.